supposed to be in nature, like completely, and often it's gonna be. So yeah, we have a competition tomorrow, so we have to get up really early, and then it's for 1 hour, I think, and then I still have to drive half an hour to and back. So yeah, so today when we're there, I'm gonna make some videos how I set it up. I hope this time it's gonna work. And I have still 1 hour drive, so yeah, I'll see you later. That's what I was saying. So we're here. It's very beautiful here.
I just told my shawty better come through. We can turn it up if you want to. Looking at the sky through the sunroof. We can do whatever, girl, come through. I just told my shawty better come through. We can turn it up if you want to. Looking at the sky through the sunroof. We can do whatever, girl, come through.
Wat doe jij? Je bent blij, hè? Hij is zo happy. He's so freaking happy.
Alone for some time, so it's new for me, girl. But I wanna take a chance on you truthfully, girl. Girl, I'll be a man, I know you need that. Where you all piece, you need to leave.
I will walk and film a bit.
Got you on my lock, I need to keep that. Yeah, I mean that. Oh, you see that?
This is the first time that we're at the nature camping. It's very beautiful. Till this time we only have done those small campings, like at a farm or just very small. But this is like really completely in nature. Of course that's because of the name. But very nice here. Very, very beautiful. There are a lot of yellow flowers. I think they're called horse flowers. Very beautiful. So we're gonna stay 2 nights and then 2.5 days. So till Monday, and then we have to leave at 12. And then tomorrow we have a competition. Bike journey competition, and then yeah, we have to do that like, I think it was 10:30, something like that, here in the neighborhood. So and then after that we come back, set everything up again. You see, this is just only a field only for that. It's not that big. But really private, there's nobody here. But it's also, the season is just started, so it's already very nice weather. But it's still not that you say like, okay, oh my god, it's so hot. But for me it's perfect, because for me my question would be, how would it be when it's summer and it's okay, like 26 degrees outside. I don't know how much that is in Fahrenheit. I don't think that it would be much fun in a car. But we will see. This year it will be the first time that we will do that. So we're back again. I will not take a big walk right now. Just a small one. Because I first want to go and set up everything there. Oh my god, it's so nice. This is not a... But there I see there's a really nice... Here, behind me. A really nice walking trail. Okay, so first I have to go and get everything out of the car and then organize. And I have to remove my bicycle from the back. and then I have to put up a awning. So I think it's gonna be raining tonight, this evening. So this has to be done. So okay. I have done it like this. So now if it's raining, I still can sit there. So that's perfect. Okay, and now I have a puzzle here. And I do not really know out of my head, like, how did I do it last time. And there's something like this, I think. Something like this. And then one here, no. This one there. I think it was like this. Yes, I think it was like this. Yeah. So I hope you still can follow. Okay. Going on. This will go there. So I had to stop because it started raining again, of course. But now I have to make his space. So this is here, like, okay, so see. This is my sleeping space. And then here, beside me, he has like his own. Okay, so look what I'm doing for him. This is the sleeping bag I have here. So to organize my car, it's still a bit of work, but it's fine. This is the sleeping bag, and then I'll put this here, so then I know always where it is. Okay, this is like that. So this is our electric blanket. Very, very nice. When it's colder in the night, it's very, very nice. Making some tea right now. It's pretty, how late is it? I don't know, wait. It's 6 o'clock. So it's getting a bit colder, so I want to have a warm tea. So here. I have power, so of course, why not use it? So a bit of a little tea. Very nice. What's not to love here? It's so nice. This is the best heater that you can have, I think, if you have power. It's very nice heat. So we're going for a walk. For a walk through the... It's like, what is the landscape here? I think it's a bit of woods. A bit of, like, those fields. And do you see there? There's pretty pretty much a lot of trees. You cannot really look through it. It's very nice. It's already pretty late. It's like 7:30, so we will not go very far because it's gonna be dark, I think, at 8:30 here. So we're just enjoying our little day here. It smells so nice. Here it was raining. Yeah, big boy. Good job. You're such a big boy. So it was raining, and I think that's always so nice. It's like nature smells so great then. Back again. Look at that. Nice. Ben je er weer? Hoi babe, goed zo. What a good boy, hè? Enjoying our beautiful walk. I hope you like our vlogs. If you'd like to comment a bit, maybe we can start a conversation. That's very nice. Okay, a little play with my dog. Okay, so we're making hamburgers. I will turn this around so it's pretty simple. We're gonna eat like hamburgers, and with a little bit of cheese and bread and some tomatoes, and pretty simple but very, very nice. Of course mayonnaise, because I cannot live without mayonnaise. It's so nice. So here it is, one moment. So here I have some beef hamburgers, baking them a bit. And my dog is of course with me. Look out, baby. It's hot. You have to watch out, but he has to be with me, of course. He has to witness everything and help me. And you never know, maybe if something falls, then I can go and eat something. Yes. You're a good boy, eh? Yeah. Because do you know what happened? I've not took no seasoning with me. So I only have what I just said. So it's coming along very nice. It smells great. So I did cut up some tomatoes, and then we're gonna take some bread, and then we're gonna make some nice hamburgers. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my god. I hope you can see it as nicely as I can, because this is just magnificent. The colors are unbelievable. So now this is our little hamburger. I'm going to take a bit of cheese. A bit of cheese. Will that? Oh wait. First a bit of mayo. I love mayo, so this is a great amount for me. I don't know how, but we're gonna try. Okay. This knife, man. Oh my god. It's not even for this, man. So now we are outside with our nice warm thankful. I hope that they are not that smart, so that they will fly under there. But we will see. I don't know. Very nice evening. Food was great. And baby's also here. Okay, so the day is over. So I think right now it's 1 o'clock. I do have to wake up early, so I'm going to go to bed right now. But it was a really wonderful day. Beautiful weather. Okay, it was a little bit raining, but it's fine. Then later we did sit, like made food, and then we sit in our small little cute like tent, something like that. It was really nice. I watched a movie and he slept next to me, so it was really cozy, really nice. I enjoyed it a lot. So yeah, at the end of the day, I'm a bit tired right now. So I hope that I can sleep tonight. Okay, thank you for being. Bye. Have a nice sleep. So good morning. Did have a very nice night. Slept very well. Oh, very nice. Woke up around 6, I think now it's 7. So yeah, I have to start the day. It's a beautiful day. It will be a sunny day today, so that's nice. Yeah, I will take you with me for this day, and then yeah, let's start it. Look how nice this is to wake up to this. This is just freaking beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, I love it, man. I'm so thankful to be able to do this. Oh my god. Wow. And the birds are chirping. It's so beautiful. Nice to wake up this morning. Okay, so we're at the last day. we have to clean up. I have to organize the car, and then we have to go. So I will show you what we're dealing with. This has to go. The car has to be organized completely. So with the car, what I do is I have to get everything out and then fold up the mattress, and then I have to like organize everything. So like the kitchen, then you have the sleeping area, then you have like all the utensils, your pants, your all of that. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Okay, so yeah, it was great weekend. Oh my god, it was unbelievable. So happy. So yesterday we had of course the competition, but I was not really I did not film. I only did film like a little piece of the competition, but not of myself, only some people who were starting, and it was also the people who were running with their dogs, but I will put it in the video. And yesterday I did not film because we were completely out of order when we came back. So yeah, so yesterday was a, but because also we were here like for 2 days, 2.5 days, so it's fine. One day I don't have to film because it's like it's such a, I already have so much film that it would be a video of 2 hours. That's way too much. So yeah, I will show you the environment a bit, and then nature camping experience. And it's so beautiful, man. It's, you're completely in nature. I love it, man. Now I'm going to remove the screen shutters. Perfect. Love it. What I found out, you have to find space for everything and put everything always at the same space, because if you don't do that, with such a small space, you will lose it. You will lose it gewoon, and you cannot find it anymore. This is my electric blanket. Oh my god, this is the best thing ever. Oh, if you can, just take this with you, man. I had such a problem with sleeping, and now I found out if I sleep with this, and I also do take a pill for melatonin pills, yeah. So now I sleep perfect, and this is perfect, really. Take it, buy it, enjoy it. I sleep in bed. It looks so orange. I was thinking, oh, what a beautiful color. Yeah, I see it now on the camera, but it's not that orange. It's more dark. But on a camera, it's my sleeping bag. I don't know why, but it's like that. So I was thinking this morning, maybe I will go and make a platform for it, for this, but I will see. From wood. Okay. Professor is sleeping. Good boy, yeah? Yeah. You're a good boy. Okay, so everything is out of there right now. I did get everything out, I think, as far as I can see. As you can see, this is like the basics, how I start. And now I can go and order and like organize and put everything here, because a lot of stuff I just leave in the car. So then when I have to go, the only thing that I have to take with me is like my food, and then like I'm thinking one moment. Oh yeah, my electric blanket, because I don't leave that here. And yeah, like my clothes for yeah, my like toothbrush and all of that. So that's the only thing that I. And it did it. This is my table. It's all for the steering wheel, or I can put it on my lap. This is also very nice. I would recommend if you can find it. I put this in the front of the car when I'm going to bed, and then I can put my shoes on in the car. So then it stays clean. Very, very good thing to have. Also very nice to have. This is a like door carpet. It's very nice to when you have to go out of your car and into your car. It's very nice to not stand on wet grass and all of that. So this is like also pretty great. But now it's pretty good, so I have to clean it. Okay, so for now it's only the table and the chair, and then we're done. Pretty easy system this. So like this, and then this was it. The table, also very easy. Fold it up and put it away. Back now.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh.
There was nobody. Okay, so thank you for watching, for being with me this day, this weekend. It was a great weekend. I loved it. So I'll see you the next time. Goodbye.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We still at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still trying to flip it out the stove.